L'article défini. L'article défini. It means the definite article. L'article défini stands in front of a noun, but we have three types of them. We have le, la, les. Le, la, les. Le masculin, la féminin, le pluriel means masculine, feminine, and plural. We say le père means the father. Le garçon, the boy. Le stylo, the pen. En féminin, we say la mère, the mother. La fille, the daughter. La maison, the house. Les, pluriel. Les, plural. Les parents, parents. Les enfants, the children. Le sac, the bags. So, you have three types of them, but you also have options on les and la because you have L apostrophe, L apostrophe. Why is it? Because when a noun is starting with a vowel, we put the L apostrophe if it's on the single form. So, I can say l'arbre. L'arbre means the tree. I can say l'étudiante. L'étudiante means the student, but this is masculine, this is feminine. Only a word starting with a vowel, you put L apostrophe. But if they are on plural form, you say les arbres. It means the trees. And les étudiantes. It means the students. What do? We link S to the vowel, we link S to the vowel. So you say les arbres or les étudiantes. Okay? All right.